Welcome to Brain Checkers, the YouTube channel dedicated to helping young adults navigate the financial world. Today, we're discussing one of the most important topics for anyone under the age of 30, the biggest financial mistakes you can make. These mistakes can be costly and set you back for years to come, so it's important to be aware of them and take steps to avoid them. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're well established and looking to make smart financial decisions, this video is for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Not having a budget. One of the biggest financial mistakes you can make is not having a budget. Think of it as a plan for how you will spend your money, and it's going to be essential for making sure that you're staying on track financially. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and get into debt. There are many different budgeting methods you can use, so find one that works for you. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule, where you allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to your wants, and 20% to your savings and debt repayments. Another important step is to track your spending. Use apps or tools to track your spending so you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on top of your budget and make sure you're sticking to it. Mistake number 2. Not saving enough for retirement. Another big financial mistake that people under 30 tend to make is not saving enough for retirement. It may seem like retirement is a long way off, but the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. The longer you wait to start saving, the more you'll have to put aside each month to reach your retirement goals. To avoid this mistake, start by setting a retirement savings goal. Work with a financial advisor or use online tools to determine how much you'll need to save each month to reach that goal. Make sure you're contributing enough to your 401k or other retirement accounts to reach that goal. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing enough to take full advantage of it. This is essentially free money that can help you reach your retirement goals faster. Mistake number 3. Taking on too much student loan debt. Student loans can be a great way to finance your education, but if you take on too much debt, it can be difficult to repay and can hold you back financially for years to come. To avoid this mistake, start by researching different types of financial aid and scholarships before taking out student loans. Consider attending a community college or trade school before transferring to a 4-year university to save money on tuition. When you do take out student loans, make sure you understand the terms and conditions. Know the interest rates, repayment terms, and any other penalties for late payments. More importantly, make sure you have a plan to repay the loan after graduation. Mistake number 4. Not having an emergency fund. This is a mistake that many people make, including myself. An emergency fund is a savings account that you can use for unexpected expenses such as medical emergency or car repair. Without an emergency fund, you may be forced to rely on credit cards or loans to pay off unexpected expenses, which can put you in debt. To avoid this mistake, start by setting a goal for your emergency funds. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in case of an emergency. Then make sure you're setting money aside each month to reach that goal. Keep your emergency funds in a separate account and use it only for true emergencies. This way, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for unexpected expenses. Mistake number 5. Not investing your money. Investing your money can help it grow and can provide you with a source of income in the future. However, if you're not investing your money, it's not working for you. To avoid this, start by educating yourself on different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Then set a goal for how much you want to invest and make sure you're contributing enough to reach that goal. It's important to diversify your investment so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Don't be afraid to seek the help of a financial advisor if you need guidance. Mistake number 6. Not having insurance. Insurance is an important safety net that can protect you from financial ruin in case of an accident, illness, or any other unexpected event. Without insurance, you may be faced with high medical bills or other expenses that can put you in a huge debt. Make sure you have the right type of insurance. These include health insurance, car insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your insurance and shop around for the best rates. Review your coverage regularly to make sure it still meets your needs. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your insurance company. Mistake number 7. Not planning for taxes. Taxes can be a significant expense, and if you're not prepared for them, they can cause financial strain and even lead to penalties and fines. Utilize tax planning tools and software such as tax calculators and budgeting apps to help you plan for your taxes in advance. Set aside money each month to cover your tax bill and make sure you're keeping accurate records of all your income and expenses. If you're ever unsure, seek the help of a tax professional or accountant to help you navigate the tax laws and ensure you're staying compliant. Mistake number 8. Not having a debt repayment plan. If you're not paying off your debts in a timely manner, they can accumulate and become overwhelming. This can lead to high interest rates and penalties, making it even harder to pay off your debt. Start by making a list of all of your debts and their interest rates. Prioritize them by interest rate, with the highest interest rate debt being the most important to pay off first. Next, create a debt repayment plan. This can include making extra payments, consolidating your debts, or seeking the help of a credit counselor. You have to make sure you're sticking to your plan and making payments on time to avoid late fees. Mistake number 9. Not having a plan for unexpected expenses. Unexpected expenses can come in many forms, such as medical bills, car repairs, or home repairs. Without a plan for these expenses, they can quickly put you in debt. Start by setting aside money each month for unexpected expenses. This can be part of your emergency fund or a separate savings account. Review your expenses regularly to identify any areas where you might be spending more than necessary. This can help you reduce your expenses and save more money for unexpected events. In this video, we've discussed some of the biggest financial mistakes you can make under 30. Try avoiding these mistakes and you will set yourself up for a strong financial future. Remember to create a budget, start saving for retirement as soon as possible, be mindful of student loan debt, have an emergency fund, and invest your money to make it work for you. If you ever have any doubts, don't hesitate to talk to a financial advisor. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.